Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. How's it going? Rob the Scalper, good morning. Hello. Istvan from Hungary and fellow trader, welcome. Üdvözöllek. Yeah, today is going to be Friday. He's asking, is it going to be Friday today? Yeah, ma péntek van. Welcome. Okay, so interesting event happening throughout the day. President Trump sent out a tweet about the tariffs with China. And as you can see, the market plummeted like how much? We went down 185 points. That was wow. So anyway, unfortunate. Seems like, let me get this off here. We could be going back up to 407. There's an order block starting at 408 on the micro. And we're just ahead of the open. 25 seconds until market open. Vonnie Jones, hello. Cool. It affected gold too, yeah. It was quite crazy, to say the least. This move was absolutely a little bit unpredicted, definitely unpredicted. We were sure that we're going for that 447. Anyway, here's the market open. Let's go. Let's see what's it gonna do. I'm actually... Well... So far... I'm just curious if we are going for the zone up there. Not necessarily. It's I mean, it's not like a mandatory thing to go for it, but there is a supply zone up there. You guys know me. I like these areas. Are we going there? I have no idea, but that's a possible target. If not, how far can we drop down? This one actually created a bullish order block as well. So demand zone 346. Yeah, who knows? But I think that we should be sweeping some orders. Like, definitely a lot of orders are stuck up there, but obviously it's a dangerous area. There seemed to be a bit of a data delay here at Bulenox. I might have to disconnect for a second there and then reconnect. Epic Trading Frankfurt server, that would be better. When I see a data issue, I usually try to reconnect non-rhythmic. Anyway, that's what we can expect maybe. Gökalp, hello. Hey, what's up? So, worst case scenario, we could be continuing to drop all the way down to that 316. There's a 1 minute fair value gap down there. Not impossible that we just gonna drop down like a hammer, like a rock, into that area. And then who knows, you know. At this very moment, it feels like anything can happen. Swept some liquidity from this gap, going back into the opening range. I mean, not the opening range, but this was the candle. No first fair value gap presented yet. So let's just wait for it. There's two levels of liquidity. We could be, as I said, we could be just dropping down to check out 318 as well. So that could be, well, a little bit interesting. Or we could be going up there to sweep that 408. Yeah, that's the neckline right there. So definitely interesting levels. So far, going back to the opening price. 5-minute liquidity taken. 15-minute looks like a possible push to those. Well, it created relative equal highs around 421. I'm not sure that it's going to be an easy run. It could be high resistance after this drop. So it could be sweeping that 319 down there. Get prepared. The spike can happen any second to the downside. It is quite possible. Okay. So far, so good. Let's wait if it wants to sweep that level down here. This one. That 317 area. I'm actually quite curious about that. And talking about those areas, what do we have? We have 59, 60. I might even try to go with a eval for a scalp. I have to delete some levels. I'm sorry, I have too many lines here. Let me get these off. Okay. We should be sweeping that 316 down there, in my opinion. $318, I'm sorry. That's 318. So I think it just wants to go down there. 318. If not, it will be a tricky one. We have to wait this out. Actually, on the 15-minute, we almost traded below the previous 15-minute candle. The open was 26.75 and the low was 75. Yeah, so flat candle on the 15-minute. And the low here. Wow, almost the same. Okay. Let's see. How far this will go. It seems like now it wants to sweep that level. I think it did. Did it? Oh yeah, now it did. Okay. So, wow. Okay, went down there. What's the first fair value gap? I mean, I haven't seen it yet. No, not yet. Oh, geez. We are going down to 286, it seems like it. Or at least it could. The sell-off could continue very easily. Is this going to be the first fair value gap? Let me just check it. Okay. Are we dropping down to 285? Opening up this candle is at 85.50. Let's see if it goes or not. Why am I saying that? Because that's also a demand zone or order block. If it wants to pick up more orders, it has to go down to 285.50. So there's the line. If not, it can be okay. We have officially the first fair value gap. I think it wants to tag into that area. Okay, here we are. Now let's see what it might want to do. One thing's for sure, the 15-minute is a bearish engulfing candle. Let's see how the first fair value gap is going to behave. Is it going to push it down lower, or we're just going to trade higher? Wow, interesting moves. Okay, we're still stuck in this. We'll see. If it wants to go below the 300 at all. So far, a rejection that we can see here. Hey Natasha, good to see you. How's it going? Do you consider the 5-minute 825 candle as an order block? 5-minute 825 candle. No, I'm not. No. And the reason is that although it swept this other 5-minute candle at 8:15 and then it pushed higher, there was no structure here. This is not a swing structure, and it didn't really shifted anything. So we stayed in a bearish structure here. This one shifted actually, and as you can see, we broke that. This one. This is not a valid one. Although on the 1 minute, if you go down, and that's why I'm saying let's keep an eye on for 285. The 8:28 1 minute candle has actually, well, I would just only not a beautiful one actually. Like it's like a on a 1 to 10 scale, this would be like a weak 5, maybe a 4, more likely. Like it's a nice swing low, and it definitely, this move, it swept a bit of a liquidity and it pushed higher. So, but it's not such a beautiful one. Definitely, there was no major sweep by this candle, this bearish candle. So to think about it, we can just stay on the upside here, and if we shift bullish, then we can target that. Now this one up there looks much better than this one down here. So this one is nice. This one is a little bit ugly, not so good on the 1 minute chart. Which means if we shift bullish, then maybe we can look for like a possible, trade opportunity to go into that zone, which I might gonna do, because why not? Absolutely, Gokop, absolutely. That's why we're here, sharing information. Yeah, CFD, like, yeah, I know it looks like the same, but it's basically not completely. I mean, 95% the chart is the same, but the numbers are not exactly the same, but yeah. The good thing is that the commission, most of the prop firms don't have commission on CFDs, for example, NASDAQ, but the spread could be a little bit crazy, right? Okay, so we're stuck in this first fair value gap so far at the same time. Yeah. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Somehow I still feel like it might want to mitigate this 86 level, 85.50. For scalping purposes, it could be a good one. Otherwise, I don't know. Let's see if it wants to go down or it's gonna shift now. That could be an interesting thing to see. The previous candle low was 95.25 on the micro, so it didn't go too much into, I mean, below the 90s. I don't know. What's the time right now? We have a new 15-minute candle soon. So I guess it could be popping into that area right there. Gotta be careful. Kind of a relative equal lows on the 1 minute here. Let's wait for it. Few more seconds until the new candle drops. Here it is. I think it went down. Did it? Does it want to go down to that area? It didn't go. Anyway. Fractional ICT helps me a lot. Yeah. Didn't go for the order block yet. Let's see the mini. I'm just curious. It also didn't go for the order block. Okay. I mean, this is not a real one. This is like a low probability one. So solely targeting this without any setup, a little bit of a high risk. Okay, now here's a push. Looking for the level at, what's that level? 36 for a possible bullish market structure shift. That's what I'm looking at right now. If we can get it, it's awesome. If we don't, then we have to go through the 289. I'm not in a trade. If I jump into a trade, I'm gonna let you guys know. But so far, I am not in a trade. I don't trust this move to the upside yet. It's still bearish. Still feels like it might want to go to that 285.50. I took a short with 5 micros and another account, a little bit more micros there, targeting the low of this candle on the 1 minute, just to make sure if it wants to break it or not. And now am closing it now? Okay. Back to square one. My entry is 304.25. 304.25. My TP is 86.75. I might close it down manually. So I'm in a short position from 304.25. I'm gonna let you guys know if I close it. My finger is on the flat button here. Still below the first fair value gap. I'm holding it for now. Bit of a drawdown here, not a big deal. I'm looking at the charts. If it starts to bounce to the upside, I'm just gonna close it with a small loss. It's a scalp position. It's not like a real actual A++ position, that's for sure. I'm looking for that that level. All I need is to break the previous candle if it wants to. I mean, not the lowest candle here. Okay, 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 okay. Wow, what a spike. Oh my god, what is happening? I'm still in the trade. TP is at 86.75. Okay, take profit hit. Nice. Okay, nice, 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 nice. TP hit. Hey, Trading Star. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sell day. Are we gonna see that action? I don't know. This was I had a scalp trade here. I couldn't show it to you guys because the chart wasn't on my right screen here, and by the time I would have made it here with the Apex account and which account I took it on a Bully account as well. I just didn't have time to push it to the other screen. But which account was this? Nice. One account I made $750. And I passed another Apex account here. So there's a new funded account. And I also copied to another Bully account $545. So that was a good one. Let's wait and see. Are we gonna go lower here? Okay, we're still going lower. I wanted to make a trade on the DayTraders account as well, but I didn't. I took a trade on the MyFundedFutures account in the London session. Ron, blew your eval. Oh, yeah, the chop. The problem is, you know, and I was watching this gap here, and I was watching this order block, and again, you know, if you see these supply, I just would like to call these supply and demand zones because I think they are more likely supply and demand zones than order blocks. And I think ICT would be laughing his ass off right now when I say order block. But I would like to say these are supply and demand zones. What is going on here, man? Are we going lower? I want to wait for the 10 a.m. Candle. I want to see what's happening at the 10 a.m. candle. I guess we're taking out this 25 level. What's the low there on the mini? 26. Okay. Seems like it wants to. Be careful. It can easily lure in the sellers and bounce, you know, like 100 points or 50 points in no time. Wonder if it wants to do it or not. I guess everybody's waiting for the same move. What's the time right now? Yeah, we are in the macro. Anything can happen. It can sweep higher if it wants. We never know. Ugh. My back is hurting a little bit. All right, what's happening? Let's see. We're seeing a bounce here now. Okay. How far are we going to bounce? That's the question. Actually, we can go all the way up to the 300s if it really wants to. Yeah, 5 minute is retracing, 15 minute is retracing higher. Hey, Trader Joe. 400 short? Let's go. When was your point where you felt comfortable trading? I was trying to say well, when I felt comfortable trading, when I sized down to micros, and I was mostly focusing on the setup, not on the profit. You know, that's when I was like, okay, I was feeling much more comfortable to enter a trade. Bad days are always around the corner, and bad series losing streaks are there. That's why if you're trading small size, you know, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to talk about this on MyFunded TV as well. Even if you lose a trade or you're going through a losing streak, you're gonna gain confidence, because if you trade by your plan but the market didn't go with the setup, it's not your fault, because you know you have an edge. So if you execute your entries as it should, as by the rules, and if you lose 3 or 4 times, it should not bother you. In fact, on the contrary, it should be getting you stronger, or making you stronger, because you know you did everything by the book, by the rules. You lost, but it's not your fault. The market did the opposite. But you know that on the next series you're going to be better. So follow the plan, small size, you're going to do just fine. Trader Joe is out. Take profit. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen with this low here. Is it going to break it, or is it going to try to shift again to the upside? If it will, we could be going up there back to the first fair value gap. So let's just wait this one out. It's really hard to predict. You have an edge. You don't feel like you have an edge. 6 month no payout. It's maybe not because of the strategy. It most likely because maybe you're over trading, oversizing. Maybe your entry is good. That's why you should like journal it down or look back what you did right or did wrong. I'm guessing most of the time the problem would be that you were revenge trading, and that's why you didn't get the payout yet. So if I would have to guess, I know what you're doing. I mean, I know what you're looking for as an entry. Or maybe you know what you're looking for at certain liquidity levels. Maybe you're just sizing up too much, you know, risk management issue. Just like most of us has that problem, or have that problem. So I had 8 consecutive wins. I don't want to end the week. Yeah, Absolutely. Joe, you have to walk away. Yeah. It's time for you to take a nice weekend and enjoy the profits. You know, that's what you can do. That's what you can do. Anyway, let's wait and see what's going to happen. We have the 10 a.m. candle real close. Do we have any news? Revised University of Michigan Consumer Senate. Now, this could be interesting at 10 a.m. This one can be an interesting one for 10 a.m. Maybe that will shake the market a little bit. How much time do we have? 1 minute and 35 seconds until that. So that could be shaking the market. Well, not every day. But I had a good series, and I hope we can continue. Let's hope. You know, next month is very close now, so we're focusing on next week. This was a good month, and I'm willing to look for some more accounts to build them up slowly. So let's see what next month is going to hold for us. I really hope it will be a great one. You know, income in trading is definitely fluctuating. Bad or good month are changing. Bad weeks, good weeks, just like bad days, good days. So it was an incredible good month for me. I wish you guys had, I hope you guys had a good month, and the next month will be even better, or should be even better, and it will be. If not, well, I don't think it won't be. I mean, it will be a great month. June is going to be great. Whatever you hear or read or see, like, oh, it's summer. No, we're going to make a lot of profits. Trust me. We're going to be here printing money. So we're going to be here making the dough. Hey, the 45th subscriber, 4,500th, 4,500th. How do they say it in English? Oh, this was the news here. Okay, let's see what's happening. We had the news. Congratulations and thank you for subscribing to the channel, by the way, Arya. Good morning, MB Trader. Yeah, I'm guessing, yeah, overtrading. We're going to talk about that, Ron. Because usually that's the problem. All right, so what is happening here? We had the news. Now what, you know? Now what's next? I guess it might want to go up there and break the order block. Is it going to go to the 20s? I'm just curious if it wants to break that order block, because there's a small order block up there. Just saying. It did break it, right? Yeah. No, I mean, no, it didn't yet. So for example here, another example for order blocks or supply demand zones here, this one. You can't say it's not working because it's working. It's just working. Again, liquidity swept, structure shift, boom. Here you go. It happened again. Again, it happened. The problem is I didn't have an entry. $1K in a millisecond. Natasha, what are you doing there? Oh, by the way, speaking of things, we are going to do a $50 cash giveaway, okay? And I have to say an apology to you guys for last week. I was promising a Take Profit Trader giveaway. There was some technical issue. I'm not going to go into details right now, but it's coming. 3 times 150K account. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to do a... I promised in London session that we're going to do a $50 cash giveaway. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just a second. Give me a moment to set this up. Give me a moment to set this up, and we are going to do it. Like, really, really do it. I hope the winner has PayPal or Wise or Revolut. These are the versions that I can get you the cash. Let's see. Time. Giveaway. All right. Giveaway has started. $50 cash giveaway. Exclamation mark. Cash. Cheapest. Hello. Szia, üdvözöllek. Everything's okay. Minden okay. Yeah. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. $50 cash. Today, you can still buy. I mean, there's multiple types of accounts you can buy on that. Or you can buy a beer. Or you can go to the movies maybe by yourself, because it's super expensive nowadays. So what you can do, you can buy a Top Step account. You can buy MyFundedFutures account. If you're brand new with MyFundedFutures, you can buy MyFundedFutures starter account with that money. You can buy 3 Bulenox accounts. You can buy 3 Apex accounts on that money. Or lots of other things. Good morning, Chaz. Hello. Exclamation mark cash. Don't forget the giveaway. We are doing it. 15 participants already. Here you go. We can see we have 15 tickets. Everybody gets 1 ticket. Just type in exclamation mark cash. And Streamlabs is going to do the random pick. Okay. Here we are. Order block has been broken. Again, order block. I can't speak normally today again. Good timing to jump on, that's for sure. So jump in on the bandwagon and enjoy the show. And let's just stay tuned, because I think this price action, like, this just wants to go back to that order block up there. And you know, we like order blocks. That's what we do. Pablo, hey, thank you for dropping in. And hello to the newcomers. Zacromonster, hello. No, I please don't do any Mission Impossible spoilers, please, guys. I want to watch Mission Impossible in the movies tonight or tomorrow. So today or tomorrow, I'm going to the movies. I don't want to know anything about the movie. Please, I want to watch it. But definitely, I'm gonna watch that. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. Man, I am tempted to jump into a trade. What do you guys say? Should I just jump in? I have some Apex accounts. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to choose Apex. Which account number should it be? All right. We're going for 400 maybe? Let's see. Are we going for... Okay, I'm targeting 398 actually. 98.75. Entered to a long trade. A bit of an extra risk here. Let's see how it goes. 398. Where is that? find it. There you go. So here's the trade. And let's just wait and see. I want us to go up there and revisit that supply zone up there. That's the goal. That's what I want. We have time. We have the silver bullet hour. If I'm wrong, obviously we're going down into that inversion gap, and it is what it is, you know. So let's just go with that. Entry is 338. Not the best, I know. I know. Don't judge me on it. I stop it somewhere here. Targeting 98. Let's see. That's the trade. What are these markets? Insane and unpredictable. Yeah, so Kleppin, I mean, this was President Trump here about China tariffs, okay? Otherwise, the plan was to go up to 447. It was definitely a crazy move, I know. Need 5 minutes to find account. I have more than one. All right, do it. DEW. Okay. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. We have 21 people entered, which is awesome. We're gonna pick the winner shortly. $50 cash giveaway, as promised, for you guys. So get ready. Get ready. I'm gonna add another 20. Let's add another $20. 20. Actually, I'm gonna add 20. Okay. And I'm waiting for that order block or supply zone. There you go. Exclamation mark cash. Oh no. They are not moving here. Let me delete this because it's irrelevant now. I mean, it's not that bad actually. Doesn't look that bad. But it's definitely a tricky one. I mean, this one has definitely more to do on the upside than on the downside. I think, in my opinion. Okay. Let's go. Clappy, did you receive? Yeah, he received. Yeah, you received. Everybody gets one ticket. I'm gonna wait about how much time? We're gonna wait a few more minutes. We don't want to be flooded with bots or anything for the cash giveaway, so just a few more minutes and we're gonna pick a winner. The odds are good, actually. So the odds are good for you guys. All right. It might gonna take the whole hour or more to climb up there. That's why I just wanted to set my stop take profit there at 398, and I might gonna move my stop a little bit, which I don't really want to. but yeah, we'll see. I hope everybody made some profits today, here and there. You know, that's why we're here. That's why we're in the business. Oh, wow. Look at this. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Looking for those profits. I'm telling you, that order block has to be taken out somehow. Roll, hello. Quick question, sure. Can you pay for the PA activation fee after 48 hours? Yeah, you can. What you can do, Roll, for safety, is you sign the contract. So it will appear on your signatures page. You can sign the contract, and this is unofficial. So I don't. It's not like it's not an official thing. But I've been told if you sign the contract, you can always go back because the payment link is gonna stay there, and you can pay it later. I did not try this, so maybe you should ask support. But I've been told from other people who did this that it works. So sign the contract, and it will go to the payment. So it will change, you know, on the tab, and it will show payment link. And, you know, maybe you can. I mean, later. Do you trade the same size in London and New York? It depends on how the market moves, you know. If the market moves quite fast and big moves, then obviously I size down in New York session, and then usually like bigger size in London because London is slower, using tighter stops. That's what I look for. Alicia, hello, disciplined trader. How's it going? Enter the giveaway, Alicia! Exclamation mark cash. Absolutely, Roll. So maybe make sure maybe you can send the support ticket. And this information is not official, as I told you, but you can try it out. Oh my god. Why am I so sleepy all the time? I'm saving up my coffee for my funded TV. And by the way, today I made another profitable day on Take Profit Trader, 288. So far this is gonna be my 4th payout. Every single day I take a payout from Take Profit Trader. So on Monday I'm gonna be asking for another payout. The profit I made yesterday, I got paid out to my wallet today. So that was cool. Anyway, just waiting. Larry, I do copy trade, but maybe like maximum 2 or 3 accounts. So I don't do the 20 account copy trading or 10 account or whatever. Usually I copy trade like 2 accounts, maybe 3 if I'm in a very good mood, but that's it. I mean, copy trading is good, don't get me wrong, I like it. I always copy trade if I have a chance for it, and I have multiple accounts, but no more, because for example, whenever I tried to copy trade all my accounts, everything went bad. So I blew up everything. It was just definitely a disaster. I don't know, it's something new with YouTube, Alicia. I don't know. It's some YouTube thing. I don't know. I mean, the more you guys chat, or I don't know, donations, whatever, I don't know how it works. YouTube is just putting this crown there as you earn XP points. I'm not sure exactly. How about some? Hey, thank you so much, Huge Sky. Thank you for the support. Hey. And everybody who was using the code. Thank you, thank you. Jaguard, hey. I butchered the name. It's not Jaguar, Jagard. Absolutely. Any question? You're welcome, Larry. We're gonna close the giveaway soon. 24 people entered exclamation mark cash for a $50 giveaway. Type into the chat exclamation mark cash. You're gonna receive a ticket. And in a few minutes, I'm gonna pick the winner. We have 24 tickets right now. Everybody gets one. And I'm gonna be sending you $50. I know it may be not too much, but you can buy quite a few types of accounts on that if you want, or you can just have a beer or whatever. Or a pizza. I'm not sure. Chaz. Chaz, let me tell you something just between you and me, all right? Chaz, there is no such amount as embarrassing amount, you know. Use it as many times you want. No, I'm sorry. I wanted to make a joke here, but hey, Chaz, I do appreciate very much the support. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for using the code. Yeah, Apex is in the 90% sale until I think Monday or Sunday. I don't even know. I have to check the counter on their website. But they are doing that. So let me check it. Okay. Apex website, it says, come on, 2 days and 13 hours. So that means until Sunday evening, I guess. Right? Let me check on Discord. No. No. Monday evening, June 1st. No, sorry, that's Sunday. No, that's Sunday. I'm sorry. My mistake. June 1st, Sunday evening, Sunday midnight. There's 90% still to stack up some new accounts for the next month. You know, making those profits. Thank you so much, Zacromancer, even for considering. I do appreciate the support to keep the show rolling, you know, elevate our spirits and the channel, and to help me to fill up with gas the BMW, you know, the 2009 5 Series. It likes to eat gasoline, you know. Anyway. Any question is welcome, LP. When you copy trade, do you also copy the same stop loss and TP? Yeah, sometimes I deviate, like maybe I turn off the copy trader while I do that, and maybe sometimes if I need to, I adjust a little bit, but that's very rare. But I copy trade the stop loss and the TP too. Yeah, so guys, this is gonna happen. I hope this is gonna happen. We need this to happen. Oh, it's not happening yet. Anyway, I was ready to play the song if it happens. Limit payouts to 5. You mean $5,000? I don't know. I received multiple payouts. Yeah, $500 million of payouts, guys. I mean, we can say all the bad things, and I really hope that Apex stays in the long run. I understand that many of you guys are receiving the love letters, I know. But if it's for the long sustainability of the company, then I'd say all right, and you know, you just have to fill it out and send it back. I guess those times when they paid out those $2.5 million to traders, that's over. Like JadeCap went away with that money. That's over, I think, from simulated accounts. You know, I think they're gonna put a cap on those payouts, but that's fine. You know, as we move along, we move forward to live trading, but that's a different topic. I've used your code at least 100 times. Raul, my man. Raul, I appreciate it very much. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I wouldn't say I'm getting better from day to day. I'm just trying to, you know, trying my best. You know, I'm just trying my best. Jacques, hey there. Why am I not? I'm not good in buy. I'm not good in. It sounds weird if I say it in English. I'm not good at picking bottoms. But anyway, when I see the structure shifting, that's a better position for me. They only say middle structures. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Cash for Ron. Let's close the giveaway. Yeah, I mean, we don't have to think about those $1 million payouts yet. If you can make, you don't even need 20 accounts. If you just have a few accounts here and there, and if you make $100 per day, guess what? It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better and better. Larry, I'm in Hungary, center of Europe, but I don't live in Budapest. I live like 90 kilometers south from Budapest. Well, it's a nice town that we have here, and yeah, that's it. Center, almost the center. Actually, a little bit Eastern Europe. I would say a little bit of it in the center, but you know. Exactly. So one thing, like Ron says, you will always have losing days, right? Sooner or later, losing streaks are inevitable, and it's really, it's hard to go by without them. You know what is good with 20 accounts? You're not you're not forced to trade. That's true. Oh no, look at this, man. We really wanted to see a nice winning trade. Well, it's not over until it's not over. That's what we used to say, right? Anyway. Oh, come on, man. Let's pick the winner. 30 people entered the giveaway. I'm going to close down the giveaway in a few seconds. Just one more look here. Okay. Counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I should do a voice for the trade. Actually, okay. So, closing down the entry, closing it now. I'm covering down the chat. Okay, closed. You can no longer enter, and let's do the winner pick. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway is gonna be no other than the one. Oops. How can I not close? It's not refreshing the page. What is happening? Okay. So we have 31 anyway. So the winner is the one and the only, our best OG viewer and trader in the stream, who's no other than Alicia. Congratulations for winning the $50 cash giveaway. Good job, Alicia. You won. You won. Exactly. You won. If you have PayPal, Wise, or Revolut, please send me your details. Or this time only, one time only, if you have a wallet, crypto wallet, I can send you USDC coin, like only USDC coin. But I would prefer PayPal or Revolut or Wise, but I can send you USDC coin if you want. It's up to you. Here's my email. Send it to me. Here's the email. Send it whatever you want me to pay you on, and I will make it happen. So if you need USDC coin, I will send it to you in USD coin. All right. Let's go, everybody. We're very close to this. We need that TP up there. We need that TP. How often to trade London? Every day. Every day. I'm streaming and trading every day the London session from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard until usually 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Aussie, hello. Hello. Oh man, we want to go up to 400. Come on. We want that. We want the winner's song. Absolutely, Larry. You're welcome. Just one little push. Do it, baby. It's not doing it. It's not doing it, man. Finally won. Yeah, I don't understand. It has to. I mean, yeah, it went up there. So it's a little bit of a questionable movement here, but we want to see this. Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. You know what's the beauty of this? Is that eventually it will take it. Alicia, I just got the email. That was fast. Let me check my email. Oh, that's your PayPal. All right. All right. Let me log into my PayPal and get this done properly and promptly. What? Come on, PayPal, let me in. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see. Awesome. Awesome. Selecting the proper debit card. Nice. And sending. And it says the amount has been sent. I'm waiting for confirmation. PayPal is saying that the amount has been sent. Alex, hello. Good to see you. Come on, baby. We need that. We need that 398. You got it. Awesome, Alicia. Congratulations. Let's see. Come on, 398. We need the feeling. We need the TP hit. We need that feeling as it just goes through that level. We're standing still. Rock hard. You know what's coming. Rock hard. We're standing still. Relentless. Ah. We're standing still, rock hard. Oh man, we really need that push to the 400s. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, that song is cool, man. Rock hard. I love Hollywood Bob. I think he's an awesome streamer. He's just the goat of streamers. And of course, you guys know me. You guys always see I love PUBG. So I used to watch him. Okay. Oh, man. What is going on here? This is not what we agreed upon. Oh, no. Don't do this, NQ. Oh, come on, man. This was a nasty, nasty move. Okay, I understand. I understand. The problem is we have liquidity below 56. That's the issue. On the 15 minutes. So it might want to go down there, pick up some orders, and who knows what's going to happen after that. So not exactly the thing I was looking for. Anyway. Hand talk like hello. Back. Nice, nice. Come on, we just need a nice little push here. Just a second. Checking something real quick. Okay, okay. Where did I put that? I'm searching for something here. Anyway, it's fine. Yeah, I had a full day yesterday. I'm going to have a full day today as well. So it's going to be fun. I now know why I was confused with the MFF stream live. Mine is not working all the time. Oh. Well, I don't know what's this one wants. I mean, it definitely wants to pick up liquidity below 55.75. So unfortunately, we're going down here. Yeah, 55.75, I think. I would be surprised if it would not wick down there, but if it won't, then I will not be angry. Why is it not picking up orders? That's a 15-minute fair value gap. It would only make sense for it to just pick up some orders. Love the hourly candle. How does it look like? Oh, nice. Oh, this is a nice candle. Quite bullish formation, so. All right. Let's go, baby. Push it. Come on. Come on. We need the song. We're here. Everybody's committed. Oh, man. 98.75. Actually, I'm going to do you better. I'm gonna lower it to 98.50. Come on, baby. And we did that. We did that.
Stands the fiercest of storms. Like being the hardest of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we remain unshakable as a rock. Our essence unbreakable.
Yeah.
Merciless resolve is a testament to the human spirit. As rock hard as the mountains.
Rock hard.
We are rock hard. We are so rock hard right now.
We are so rock hard right now. Okay. Yeah, definitely I'm explaining what happened here. So, let me go through what happened here. And, you know, it comes down to tape reading, right? So, we have to start off with the market open. And I tried to do it quickly. First of all, this was Trump's tweet about the China tariffs. It created my favorite candle formation. The perfect, I would say this is a 10, by at least a 9 out of 10 supply zone. This is the beautiful one. Beautiful supply zone. And then it just went down. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, check mark. Nice. Went lower, market, you know, crazy moves here, swept some levels. Okay, we made some sweep here as well. And then the first fair value gap, which is this one, started at the 935, has been, we traded down to it, and I mean, and then went back to another order block. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm trying to add that extra color. Here's another order block which has been traded back into our supply zone, and then we ended up higher than the first fair value gap. Now, this was a clear indication that we are leaving this area down here. So what's left? The only area left up there is my favorite zone right there. So what happened is, as soon as we had an up close candle and then we had a down close candle. Now, this is an exception when I really want to go aggressive. Good example. Down close candle with a fair value gap. So this is a nice level. When usually we have a down close candle, I'm not really waiting for it to go down a few more points. I don't care about those 1 or 2 points. It's never going to be perfect anyway. So with the down close candle, I consider it entering to the fair value gap immediately. So I took a market order, and as you can see, I hesitated a few points. I took a market order on this bullish breaker because here, this one and this one is technically a bullish breaker like this here. And so I entered with the market order, and because I just wanted to make sure, look at early profit taking. Guys, I'm still saying whatever happens from now on, this order block should be mitigated. But this is a perfect example. Like, we have the round numbers of 400. Look at that. There's a 400. Traders usually take profit earlier. That's what happened here as well on this candle. Traders or bigger players took profit, pulled back down. I thought it's going to pick up more orders. Then tried once more, profit taking before the 400, boom. But eventually, I think we still have a high probability that we are going to reach up for that zone. So technically speaking, the supply zone has still not been mitigated yet. Now, what's it going to do? Is it going to go down and pick up more orders below 56? I think it can. I think it has the possibility. Yeah. So if you enter a trade right now, and you target that zone, the risk to reward ratio, you got to be careful with the 55 level down there. It can go down anytime. The risk to reward ratio is still good for a 1-to-1 worst case scenario. So it's up to you to risk it for the biscuit. I'm not jumping in again. I took my share and that's it. But if you want to, that's how I look at it. So yeah. Well, you need to, I mean, you have to, I mean, no, you can move your stop, Chaz. It's not about that. This is just the way I do it. But there are so many successful traders, much, much better than me. So who are doing it successfully by moving their stop, you're basically reducing the risk. Yeah, looks like it's accumulating positions, but the issue with this, if you go to the 15 minute, look at that. It didn't go down to the 15-minute gap. The previous candle low is 55.25. Expect if it's gonna go sideways for too long, it can go down to pick up orders from that gap. But eventually, sooner or later, maybe in the lunch hour, maybe PM session, who knows? So let me show a bad scenario, like not too good. Like it's just gonna go slowly progressing down, picking up more orders and aggressively going up. This is one scenario, right? The other scenario is that this is just gonna go fast now and just gonna go into the zone. And the worst case scenario is this, obviously. This is A, B, C. So out of these 3 ones, I think we have a good chance that plan A or plan B should be working. You know. But obviously we have this as well. We just, you know, the seller is just gonna conquer, and this is a buy trap, and it's just gonna go down. So, but we have 2 possibilities for this to go higher, and these are the things that I think can happen. Still running a buy one. That's Funded Futures Network. Bachka, yeah. Today is the last day. Today is the last day to buy one get one for free deal. So yeah, today is the last day. Structure order, yeah, I guess. Order structure, yeah, that definitely there has to be some structured orders here, if that's what you're saying. Really helpful. Thank you, Gökop. I appreciate that very, very, very much. That's actually very kind to say. I hope I can share some useful information, because that's the least I can do here. That's why, you know, we're here. That's Funded Futures Network, Natasha. Funded Futures Network. Buy one, get one for free. So for $75, you can buy 2 50K accounts with no activation fee. No activation fee, which means for $37.50, you get a 50K account with no activation fee. That's the cheapest one, by the way. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it quiet, but yeah, maybe. And look at that. Look at that. Unfortunately, it's picking up orders. Now we are in the 15-minute fair value gap here. Let's see if this is gonna be enough for it to regain some strength and go higher again. Is there a reset code? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure if my code, for example, gives you a 5% discount, but there's no free. You know, on MyFunded TV, you guys can join. I'll be on MyFunded TV in about 30, how much? 40 minutes, 50 minutes. There used to be free resets and account giveaways as well, so I'll be there. Luke is doing the giveaway, so I don't have, it's not my department, but maybe, you know, they will give away some resets or codes. I don't know. They used to do that. Yeah, different prop, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. Maybe it's going to be plan B, hopefully. Hopefully. On the previous trade, I made $356 on a funded account, which is nice. I like it. Yeah, if you guys join the stream at MyFunded TV, there's a good chance, like, they're picking up winners. There's some forms that you have to fill out, and they're using some software to pick winners. But yesterday, I think they gave away like 20 codes or something to reset, and some accounts as well, I think. So there's a good chance for it. No, not MyFundedFutures. Funded Futures Network. Funded Futures Network. So let me just show you. So here's the deal. Oh, you guys don't see it anyway. So Funded Futures Network is the one that is having this. How can I zoom this out? Yeah. So it's Funded Futures Network. Buy one, get one for free. And that's it. Extended until tonight, 11:59 p.m. So that's the promo. I'm actually gonna take, hopefully on Monday I can take my third payout from the same Funded Futures Network account. So that is awesome too. What else do we have? Look at this. We're approaching higher now. Your country was banned? Oh no, Miracle. Damn. Which country is that? Maybe you said already. I don't know. I'm not sure. That's not good. No activation fee, Trader Joe. No activation fee. So $37.50 and no activation fee. Ends tonight. Yeah, Funded Futures Network, exactly. You can find the link in the chat or in the description of the stream. And, you know, I can see it in the chat as well. Streamlabs is spamming all these links. I can see it a little bit up there. You can visit them on that link or in the description. And the code is the same, you know. The code is always the same. Can you tell in one more time no activation? Yes, I'm 100% sure. No activation. Yes. No activation. Is that? It's in the promo. No activation. No activation. Buy one, get one free. No activation. Funded Futures Network. Funded Futures Network. If you click on my link, it's in the description or in the chat. You can find it higher in the chat. Streamlabs is spamming all these links to you guys, of course. Funded Futures Network. And if you would like to support the channel, you know what to do. The code is the same. I have to screenshot your profits on Apex for 10 days straight and explain your strategy. Yeah, I heard about that, but it's crazy. I know. I don't know. Everybody's receiving the love letters. I don't know what's happening. So anyway, if you want to support the channel, if you want to have a great weekend, if you just want to have more luck in your trading, if you want to have the best deals, if you want to have a healthier life, do something good, then there's one thing to do. Always choose the best code for prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. Make sure to check it twice before you type it. The best code out there, the best discounts. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the YouTube stream. The 80s, yeah. All right. Sorry about the... What is happening here? It should be going up there. I don't know. You know, if it's not happening now, then it should be happening sometime lunch hour later. Now you want to buy. It's always the same. It's up there. Tom Sabo, the same code. It's not just giving you better luck in trading. It's giving you more profits, faster payouts, a better meal, good beer, and a healthy future. So, go for it. Oh, Apex is still... I mean, I have the wrong banner up there. It's still showing 50%. I have to change that. The other day I switched the banners. Apex 90. There you go. Now it's fine. Work on top 1 futures. No. Miracle. Not basically. So I take that. Not all the preference. Top 1 futures I'm not trading yet. But it works at TickTickTrader, DayTraders, Bulenox, FUNDEDFutures network. It's not working at TRADEIFY, by the way. I'm surprised because I did everything to get a custom code, and they told me if I drive a lot more customers and users into their direction through my links, then they might reconsider to give me a custom code, which is surprising because I see new people on YouTube with just a few subscribers and they're receiving custom codes from TRADEIFY. So I don't know how it goes, but I don't have a custom code. But if you click on my link and use the current code, which is TTV, that gives you the best available discount and a bit of a credit to the stream. But otherwise, so I'll have codes for DayTraders, FUNDEDFutures network, Lucid Trading also. I have a code for Lucid Trading, Apex, MyFundedFutures. I mostly trade with the biggest ones, but I'm gonna buy an instant funded account with TickTickTrader too. I think 50K. So that's $284 right now, I think, if the promo is still on. What? Something went wrong? Please try again. That's impossible. Did you try capital letters or small capital? Capital. I don't know. Is it FUNDEDFutures network? Because I know I had a few sales today because some people were using my code, which I'm super grateful for. So yeah, it's still Tom Sabo. It says capital. Yeah, on my end it's capital letters. Not small capital letter. I think you're right. Yeah, so you can try it with capital or small capital, both. I don't know why. Maybe there was a space there or something. It should be working. It should be working. Let me check it out. Just a second. I know a way to check it. Look at that. Slowly going up there to the order block, I think. Let me check the code myself as well. Okay, using it on a standard 50K account just to see how it goes. Okay. Or if it's not working, try to refresh the page because it's using Stripe. Yeah, on my end it's working. On my end it's working. I cannot use my promo for my own name, so I can't do a purchase with it, but it gives you the 50% discount. So 50% discount. So you pay $75 and you send the receipt to the support, and the support is gonna send you a discount code for 100%, and that's how you can add your next account. Now it worked. All right, awesome, Trader Joe. You took the same trade? Nice. Very choppy right now. I don't know what's going on with this. We have the 11 a.m. here. I don't think I'm going to take more trades, by the way, but I will see. If I see a nice scalp, we can jump in. Yeah, it's definitely crazy. I don't want to see it, but I hope it's not going to be the version C, like we're just going down there. Oh man, it's not looking good. I'm not in a trade, but I was really hoping that this should, I mean, we still have a chance for it. I mean, let's just put a fib tool here. Let's put a fib tool here and then make sure all is good. Yeah, so 50% is still down there at 317. It should not go lower than the midpoint of the first fair value gap. So 320-ish area should be holding the price. If we anticipate, then we're going up to that supply zone or order block. Anyway, just a little bit of a sideways action here. Mullo, oh my gosh, the man. And MyFundedFutures running a promo. Well, the promo is that the Starter Plus accounts are down 30%. So the cheapest one right now, the true cost, is without activation fees $89. The Starter Plus account, 50% consistency roll, no daily loss limit. So that's a cool thing. So yeah. And 50% for new customers and 5% off from everything else currently. Yeah, Malo. The Starter Plus is in a really good price. It's actually cheaper than the regular starter right now. I think it's gonna end, I don't know, today or on the weekend. I have to check it. Maybe on Sunday. Yeah, it's the last day for it. Yeah, you know, I was actually thinking like, where is Malo? Reset the body and mind. Nice. Yeah, new month, new opportunities, you know, Malo. Recharging the batteries over the weekend. I think next month is going to be amazing. Can't wait to see it. No new customers. Old customers can get that to Funded Futures Network. So not MyFunded Futures. MyFunded Futures has a different one. That's 50% for new customers. Funded Futures Network. You can get a 50% off with no activation fee and a gift account. So the $37 is per account. So you pay $75, but you're going to get an extra free account. So that means for $37.50, you're going to have a 50K account. You're going to actually have two 50K accounts. So, but that's a good deal. Like, you can have two 50K accounts for $37.50 each. That's a really good deal. With no activation fee, you know. Malo, absolutely. If I pick up anything... Oh, thank you, man. Thank you very much, Malo, for the support. I appreciate it. I'm very grateful to all of you guys. Hey, thank you, Zoltan. I was a little bit nervous. I tried to be a little bit better. Today, I'm going to talk about a little bit more about, you know, psychology, the mental game. But sometimes I feel like I mean, not in a bad way, but obviously, as I check the other hosts, they are good traders too. Like, they have payouts, they have good community, good following. So I'm like a little bit of a smaller dot there, but I try to give as much value as possible. So, and I'm very happy that I can share it at MyFunded TV. Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, Zoltan. Thank you. Anyway, everybody, I'm not gonna take trades on this one. I think I'm gonna take a short break and prepare myself for MyFunded TV. I'm gonna get a coffee and such, so you know, just preparing myself. And I think I'm gonna sign off. So thank you everybody for watching. I'm heading over to MyFunded TV in about 23 minutes. So thank you everyone. If you would like to support the channel, you know what to do. You know what to do. Everybody, I just want to say I enjoyed it. Have a nice weekend. If I don't see you there, I'll be back on Monday. Rock hard. You know. And everything will be fine. So use the code, support the channel. God bless you all. And see you guys on the other side or here on the stream on Monday. Cheers, everyone.